The best part of my job is engaging with Fairfax County employees. Hi, my name is Nicole Rawlings, and I am the Executive Director of the Civil Service Commission. I support the county's goal of having a conflict-competent workforce by ensuring that employees have the tools and skills needed to appropriately and effectively manage conflict.
My dad worked in public service for over 30 years, and I wanted to follow in his footsteps. I'm Amanda Castle. I'm the Director of the Freedom of Information Act for Fairfax County. I joined the county about 4 years ago. Since then, as FOIA Director, have implemented new policies, new procedures. You can't be engaged with the community unless you connect with them.
I really love the direction this county is taking in wanting to engage more with the community. Hi, I'm Kathy Cooper. I'm a social services supervisor. It's my job to make sure that when families are willing, if they're willing to come to the table, that I'm going to make sure that meeting happens.
Being a civil servant's been my life. Seeing how Fairfax has grown as a county was, it was just something that tweaked my interest. I've never looked back. Being here in Fairfax has given me the opportunity to be a leader in this field. Having some countries come in here and they're in amazement that we do what we do. I mean, to me, it's going to be the #1 county in the country all the time.
With over 50 programs and agencies, the sky's the limit for potential career growth in Fairfax County. Hi, my name is Lloyd Tucker. I've been with the county for over 14 years, and I'm a division director with the Department of Neighborhood and Community Services. With the sheer amount of opportunities the county has presented to me, I knew this was a place to grow my profession and my career.
Hi, my name is Valerie Maisland. I'm an engineer with Fairfax County Park Authority. Fairfax County has a professional engineering program that has helped me develop my career and grow.
I came into the county not being confident with public speaking, and now I teach classes with large audiences, and I feel confident and comfortable doing so. The county's generous benefits have made the transition to parenthood much easier. Through health insurance, flexible work schedules, telework options, you can have a family and you can continue to progress in your career.
The county has a lot of different areas that you can work. As you progress in the county, there's always opportunities for you to advance.
It inspires me to see that I'm saving people's lives on an everyday basis. I'm really proud of what we do here.
I'm inspired every day I come to work in this county, not only by the families that we serve, but the people I work with. And it makes me excited to come to work every single day.
I'm excited by the prospect of my future career path with the county.
Fairfax County Government, engage,
Grow,
Inspire.
Come make a difference.
Come make a difference.
come make a difference.